Welcome to Caching Waves. This is an Elliott Wave update for DOGWIFHAT. If you are unaware of this coin, it is a Solana meme coin, and it's one I think has very high potential upside. So it's one I'm very interested in. Now, since our low here, we had a 5-wave move to the upside, came just shy of our regular targets for our fifth wave and our third wave, but it didn't invalidate any rules, and it does have the right look for an impulse. After that, we had a 3-wave correction as an ABC, down between the 50 and the 618 of our 5 waves up, and we came just shy of the 1-to-1 on log scale and linear scale, so just shy. After that, I have us as a 5-wave impulse to the upside for another micro 1-2. So expecting this correction to finish off very shortly, in which case we have the potential for a third wave to the upside, a third of a third. So potentially pretty strong move to come. I'm going to dig into the smaller time frames. There was a few issues with this count, but this is my primary currently. I have 5 waves up as our impulse. As you can see, after the fact, we've had a complex correction to the downside. I've been looking at the best way to count this the last little bit, and I think I found the best way, which is as such. I have this as a flat pattern, ABC for our W wave. Our X was very complex. We had a flat followed by our X wave and a zigzag for our Y. So a flat X and a zigzag. Made the most sense, just the fact we came between the 1.236 and 382 of this move to the upside, which is where we expect our X wave. We also hit the 1-to-1 extension of this W wave for our Y wave to complete. So we have a flat, an X wave, and now I'm anticipating a zigzag to complete our Y wave. Now there's a couple different targets. Our 1-to-1 is at 29.164 cents, and that is our W wave off the X. That's that 1-to-1. Also have a 1-to-1 off the X wave for our A, B, C, which is at 28.4864. And should hit the bottom of our channel here. But coming very close, I'll explain what I think is happening here. There's a couple different options. I know I'm all the way down on the micro, but if you're active in the market, you can get this deep here. This is a 5-wave move to the downside, most likely an A wave. And then I had our 3-wave move, and I'm expecting this to be a diagonal where we get an ABC, X, ABC, ABC. Come down to target, and that will give us our diagonal for our C wave, A, B, C, in which case I would look for a reversal, find support at previous resistance, and look for a long. Now I'll probably play it this way. I'll wait for the reversal. Reason being I can get a higher position size. Now I do have a little bit of a position at the moment that I got in a long time ago. If you remember my previous videos, I got in around this area. So basically where I'm looking to enter again. So I'm just leaving that original entry. Sorry. Stop is back at this low. But as of now, looking to leverage up once we get this pattern fill out, and I will make sure to update that as I do. But if you're more of a swing trader, this is not financial advice, just telling you what I would do, is if I'm swing trading that, I'd put my buys just at those targets, stop at the 66%, which is currently at 24.1857. Whatever one's further away between log and linear. Yeah, it would be log 24.187. I'm targeting pretty high up there. For our third of the third, I'd be looking for the 1.382 or the 1.236. You can see it's really, really big. It's like a 40-to-1 if we're on log scale. Closer targets if we're on linear. Again, just targeting the third of the third. Myself, which would be more of like a 7-8-to-1. But either way, a pretty excellent trade both ways, and getting excited for this one. So again, looking for this to become an ABC. Make sure you're watching it if you're planning on entering it like me. And this is a 5-wave move right here. A, get our B, and looking for this to be a diagonal. 1, 2, still on our 3, 4, 5, right down to our target box there. Now, if we don't get this diagonal, I just want to make it clear that we can get another move to the upside, because right now we just have 3 waves, and this can turn into a flat, and then we'd get our diagonal from over here or an impulse. So just be clear, if it looks like we're taking off, I don't think we are. That would be what I would expect to happen if we don't get that other move down right now. Yeah, this is one of my favorite setups at the moment out of everything. Hopefully it works out as expected. All right, guys, that's it for DOGWIFHAT. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want the updates on Twitter, I'm @_cachingwaves. I just repost the videos there. You can check out today's playlist if you want. Thanks for watching.